So the Farmhouse 4, wow, what a property. Externally, this home really is breathtaking. The curb appeal is fantastic. It's got that wooden cladding aesthetic that's shared with some of the other properties on this development, which really adds to that rural farmhouse-like quality, perfect for the location in which you find this home. But inside, those high standards very much continue. You join me now in the family kitchen, which is a sublime space, perfect for entertaining friends, family, maybe the new neighbours, but also a fantastic canvas for making memories with your nearest and dearest for many years to come. Now, the space here really is high spec. In fact, this property in particular benefits from many an upgrade, including this solid quartz work surface that takes centre stage in this impressive chef's island in the middle of the kitchen, as well as the units that surround. You've also got top of the range appliances in the form of the AEG oven, grill, microwave, and the 5-ring gas hob. We've got an integral wine cooler to the back wall, which is perfect for popping a cork on something special when it comes to completion day. And when it comes to celebrating, let me tell you that if you're a family that like to take the party outside, then you've got the perfect spot to do exactly that. These bifolding doors take you straight into the private gardens outside and also reconnect you into the family lounge, which flows on effortlessly from the kitchen space. The family lounge is a brilliant space and it benefits from back to front walls of glass. At the front of the home, it frames those farm views like a piece of art hanging from the wall. The perfect spot to sit down with your favourite box set at the end of a long week. Now, elsewhere on the ground floor, we've got additional built-in storage, as well as the added benefit of a downstairs toilet and a utility space, both of which tend to be non-negotiables, especially if it is that you're looking to buy a home with small people in the household. Now, upstairs, we've got no fewer than 4 great-sized bedrooms, but the master bedroom in particular is definitely noteworthy. It's an impressive space that benefits from a walk-in wardrobe that perfectly frames those views into the distance, and of course, with a raised elevation comes a better vantage point so you can see the beautiful village of Elswick through your wardrobe. Just beside that, we've got the private ensuite facility that features a walk-in shower, whereas the other 3 bedrooms on the first floor are all served by a principal family bathroom suite, which can be accessed from the first floor landing. Again, a great space finished off to a high specification. Outside, you've also got the added benefit of a garden to the front, as well as a private driveway with the added benefit of a detached garage. Perfect if you're a multi-vehicle household, or maybe you could do with extra storage, or maybe developing a home gym. If you're looking for an executive home in a perfect location to match, then the Farmhouse 4 definitely deserves your consideration. A real testimony to the attention to detail and the love and the care that Kingswood Homes put into their developments. Now, thank you for taking the time to tour the Farmhouse 4 with me today. I really do hope that you enjoyed the tour as much as I did. If you've got any questions, or if indeed you'd like to view this beautiful executive home for yourself, please do give me a call on the details that follow, and I'd be more than happy to help. For now, my name's Ben. Thank you for watching.